There you are. Good to see you again. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. It's December, let me see here, 6th, Monday. And haven't done a thing out in the garage the last week. Basically since Thanksgiving, haven't done anything. So we still have to get the live hydraulic pump looked at, you know, get the gear off and look at the wear and the gear, the keyway, the shaft, etc. Connor still has to come get the flywheel, the crankshaft, and I think he was going to take the engine block and a couple other components and either have them cleaned or try to clean them himself, because I just don't have time to do it, and I don't have the equipment to do it. And going down to my cousin's shop right now is just not something that's feasible. So it's just not something we're going to be able to do. Temperature's dropped out. It's you can't hear the wind outside probably, but I think the high today is 7 with a wind chill of like 17 below. So we went from 50 degrees a week ago to, well, actually just a few days ago, to 17 below. So almost a 70-degree difference when you look at wind chill. Other than that, there's not much going on around here. That little intro, I wanted to kind of do something a little goofy, because Eric, we got to give a big shout out to Eric. He sent us this Cyclops light, and it's an LED light. It's got 3 different brightnesses, and it's also magnetic, so that, like, let's see here, I'll show you. You know, I've got those DeWalt lights. Oh, also, the base swivels. So I've got these DeWalt lights, but I can magnetize this and stick it on anything and it'll just illuminate. I can stick it inside here. It's nice and small and compact. My DeWalt ones, they work great, but they're really big and bulky. Ooh, and this thing is bright, so this will be really handy when working inside the clutch housing, or, you know, I can take it with me to look down inside fuel tanks on potential tractor projects, you know, all kinds of things. This is gonna come in real handy. So big thanks to Eric, and yeah, that's really all I got. I wanted to give you guys an update and just kind of let you know that I'm alive. First of all, and second of all, I wanted to give a big shout out and a thank you to Eric for sending that light. So it's very much appreciated. I don't really have anything for this video. It's more of just an update video and showing you guys basically where we're at with the Super M. But I do have a small clip that I've been holding for a little while for kind of down times like this, and it's a clip from Rudy's. Basically, he's got a 1938 John Deere A that had been sitting in the weeds, hooked up to a wood splitter for a number of years, and I don't think he's had it running in a couple of years. So we went over there, we got it running. If you guys paid attention in a previous video we did a while back, we showed his John Deere Model B, his unstyled B that was we got running, that had been sitting for a while. But this Model A is on full skeleton steel. It's a pretty cool tractor, runs great. It was a challenge to get it going, just because it had been sitting for a while and there was vines growing through it and everything else. But we got it going, we got it moving, and we got it parked up on the hills. So I have a video here that I'm going to share with you that it's not the first start, but it's the first start after the first start. So that's all I've got. At least you get some tractor time, and we'll see you soon. So check out the video.
Crank her till she pops. Oh.
Broke off.